Hi friends. In this video we are going to see how to enable dark mode on WhatsApp web. If you are watching my channel first time, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's get into the video. WhatsApp had a dark mode on both Android and iOS. Finally now it has introduced this feature to WhatsApp web and the desktop app. Let's see how to do. First of all, update the WhatsApp web to latest version or open WhatsApp web in your favorite browser. Now we have to scan this QR code by WhatsApp and smartphone. For that go to Settings, WhatsApp Web, and tap OK. Once you place the scanner on QR code, WhatsApp Web will start working. OK, let's see how to enable the dark mode on WhatsApp Web. On WhatsApp Web, tap on the three-dot icon and go to Settings. Here, click on the theme option. Choose dark mode and click on OK to enable the theme. That's it. Now we can enjoy the dark mode on WhatsApp web. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Tap the notification bell to get notification for new interesting videos. If you like the video, then share with your friends. See you in next video.